Hello guys, and welcome back to Bittruth, your host, Mark Luther, cryptocurrency miner, day trader, investor, graphic designer, and video editor. And today we want to talk about the best pool for mining micro Bitcoin. Now this video will be a bit shorter than other videos, so today we're going to talk about the best pool for mining this coin or whatever this is. Okay, micro Bitcoin aims to encourage micropayments for Bitcoin holders by providing a secure and sustainable open source community and ecosystem of users, developers, and miners by means of a hard fork of the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, like general information, this is from South Korea. They're trying to fork from Bitcoin. They have an application on Android, and if you want me to do a full review on micro Bitcoin, I can do, but for now let's make this video a bit fast. Of course, just a disclosure, I've been mining micro Bitcoin for the past few days to be exact, and as you can see here, I'm mining micro Bitcoin. This is on rebellionpool.net. So we're going to come to value what is the best pool. Okay, now I've earned 6,000 micro Bitcoins. Now let's go to rebellionpool.net, which is the homepage, and as you can see, we have micro Bitcoin right here. Okay, there are 1,030 miners, okay, pumping out 153.2 gigahashes. So as you can see right here, one of the important things you need to understand is that you can mine it with your GPU, and the best thing is that this is the best pool for mining micro Bitcoin for now, at least to my knowledge. Now as you can see, subscriber pool is also mining micro Bitcoin, but why am I recommending rebellionpool.net, not subscriberpool.com? It's because if we look at the number of miners, it's 511, which is like really just, they're pumping 54.1 gigahashes with 0.5% fees. But on Rebellion Pool, you have 1,030 with 153.2 gigahashes with 0.5% fees. Now, the good thing here is that this pool is hitting more blocks, so you're going to get more reward. Okay, now a few days ago, I'm going to just read this in a second, that they had a hit in their miners, so we hit less blocks, which is not the best thing to happen in the micro Bitcoin community. But the thing is that this rebellionpool.net is one of the best pools right now. Okay, and you can mine on it. Now it has a Discord community, and I'm going to read this right now, this article by one of the the devs of the pool. So everyone, dearest rebel miners, today started with a shift of miners among pools. Our total hash rate have definitely taken a hit. So I don't have a screenshot, but this is what they said on last Wednesday. It has been like 2 days or 3 days with a hit. I'm heartened by you rebel miners who chose to stay during this temporary setback. Let it known that Rebel's server continues to be stable and secure. Even at our current hash rate, we still hit blocks. We just need a longer period of time. So mining on rebellionpool.net is much more faster than subscriber pool. It's just a common fact. Okay, it's not that subscriber pool is the best. No, because sometimes there are some competitors that are winning, and this is nothing like forever. Like sometimes the table can change really fast. I mean, sometimes subscriber pool is really profitable, sometimes rebellion pool, so you need to know this information. Shares among miners definitely increased as there are only so many miners left among us. The low hash rates as a pool issue will be addressed. I hope to have your faith and continuous support in rebellionpool.net. Till the next morning, rest, my dear miners. Good night. So as you can see, rebellionpool.net, okay, are having sometimes like a hit in their miners, which is not the best, but of course, at the current moment, it's the best pool to mine. Now sometimes you need to do changes. For example, right now I'm not mining on subscriberpool.com, okay, because to be honest, there's not much coins or things that I'm trying to get into. Like I tried to get into micro Bitcoin or MBTC, but the problem is they're not hitting as much blocks as rebellionpool.net. Of course, they're pumping 54 gigahashes, Rebellion Pool 142, nearly 3 times more, hitting more blocks. So thank you guys for watching this video from Bittruth, your host Mark Luther, and hopefully you enjoyed this fast tutorial about this. And I'm going to put the pool link in the comments down below and in the description, so you can actually visit rebellionpool.net, and they really have friendly people among their community, especially on their Discord. The guy who helped me, shout out to him, SGCR. He helped me build my own miner of microbitcoin, and of course with everything and clearing some confusions. So thank you guys for watching this video from Bittruth with your host Mark Luther, and see you guys on the next video.